Hello, I just wanted to do a quick little video about Gnome's file app, Nautilus. It's got a really cool feature that I don't see a lot of people talking about, which is its renaming feature. Let me just pull up my system info, just so you can see what I'm on. Here we go, and so I'm on Fedora Linux 41, with a desktop environment of GNOME 47.5 using Wayland. And just in case that's interesting to you. So here we are in the file app, and if I come over to like my documents or something and say I want to rename this file, so I'll hit F2 to rename, and I can call it whatever and confirm that, and it renames as you would expect. Nothing too fancy there. But if I then grab 4 separate things, or however many you want, and hit rename, you can see it brings up this little batch rename dialog window. And here you can do lots of cool stuff. You can prefix the files by maybe saying these cool files. Yeah, you see how that kind of works. You can chuck stuff at the end. Easy, easy. You can add, this is really fun, you can add automatic numbering to the ends of the files. So it's kind of cut off, but if I expand that a little bit, you can see that it's sequentially numbered those files from 1 to 4. And yeah, and that would just be such a quick way to imagine if you've got like 100 files or something, and you could just do that. And I know there's ways of doing this in other operating systems, but you generally have to get like a third-party app or something, or an extension. And the fact that this is just built in, I just think is so cool. The other cool feature it has is find and replace. So if you want to replace the text of the name of a file with something else, you can do that. So if I want to, for instance, replace BSB with something wild like BSC, you can see I can do that quite happily. And there we go. So yeah, I just think that's really cool. And you know, GNOME, there's obviously a lot of desktop environments out there for Linux, but if you're looking around at distros and desktop environments and wondering which one to choose, I don't know, maybe that's just a cool little feature that'll push you in the direction of GNOME. So there you go.